All right, warm greetings and welcome to Kung Fu Fundamentals for Beginners. We're going to go ahead and get started. I'll go over a few concepts before we begin, just to kind of review. And then hopefully you'll be able to learn these concepts and remember them as I call them out during the actual training session. So the first one I want to go over is what's called the Tan Sao, right? Remember that one? Bon Sao, okay? And Hak Sao. Tan Sao, Bon Sao, and Hak Sao. And just so you understand, Sao, S-A-U, is the Chinese word for hand. And these are different hand forms. You know, you have the wing form or the wing hand. You have the top hand. And then you have the pushing hand, which is the Pak Sao itself. Now I have some videos that I'm going to post that'll go into more detail on the first principles or the basic fundamental concepts behind Wing Chun and many martial arts. Because many times we do these over and over, but we don't understand the bigger picture of what we're trying to accomplish. These concepts take quite a while to integrate into your training, but it helps to understand what's going on and what you're actually trying to do, right? The last concept I want to share with you, just to kind of review as the first principle of Wing Chun, is the center line principle. So remember, all of your strikes are going straight down the center, or your parries and offsets are clearing across the center, right? So keep the center line in mind. And if you ever have any questions about where you should be striking, where your punches should be going, where your Tan Sao should be going, where your Bon Sao should cross, think about center line. And we'll go into more detail about why that's important with regards to the Wing Chun tradition and idea, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. Sun is going to set pretty soon, so we're going to do kind of a abbreviated workout. Etiquette. Feet together. And open up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slightly pigeon toe. Lower your stance, almost like you're sitting back. And bring your hands just below your chest. Okay, so let's begin with inner gate punches. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? Outer gate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Sink elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Go ahead and close up for me. I have to make a slight adjustment. Feet together and open up. Now we're going to finish up our hand work. Hands beneath your chest. And 1, pull a horse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, if you're just joining us and you're not familiar with some of these motions, I'll refer you back to the earlier videos. We're just going to kind of, again, do kind of an abbreviated review over some of the things that we've been going over the last few days, okay? Short punches. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Recycle. Four-gate parries. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 4. 7, 2, 3, 4. 8, 2, 3, 4. 9, 2, 3, 4. 10, 2, 3, and 4. Good. And recycle. Okay. Rolling punches. Line your elbow, your hand, the center line. Remember the center line principle. And remember, each knuckle rolls right over the other. Okay? You only want to bring it just back to the elbow. That's all you need. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And recycle. All right. Let's do our basic punches from the hung guard position. Open up 2 more. Lower your weight. And remember, with this one, you want to actually snap the punches out and make sure that you go from the female to the male. It means at the very end, that's when you want to twist the punch at the very end to get that little snap. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. All right, good. Recycle. Elbow strikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Good. Chops. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 10, 2, 3. And recycle. Now we'll do a back fist or back elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Good. Back fist. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. And recycle. And close up. Okay. Go ahead and close up. Let's do a little bit on the footwork. So we're going to do wind chin footwork. Remember the box that we had in the last class? We're going to do that same thing today. Okay. So go ahead and put your feet together and open up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Triangle step into your fighting stance, or if you're from another tradition, they may call it a crescent step, but it's similar motion, right? So we're gonna do wind chin footwork. Make sure 80% of your weight is on the back leg so you can lift the front easily if someone tries to sweep, or you need to use your knee. And about 20%, but I always like to recommend that you kind of lightly put the foot in the front, maybe on the ball of your feet, pull your toes up in your heels so you can respond a little bit quicker. So let's do wind chin. We'll go to our left first. 1, 2, 3, forward, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, back to your start. Okay, this time we'll go to the right. We're doing a square. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and back to your original position. Now, when I say lift, you're going to lift the front leg up, touch your elbow like you're trying to block, but keep your hand up, just bring your knee up. Okay, ready? We'll go to the left. 1, lift. 2, lift. Forward. 1, 2, lift. To your right. 1, 2, lift. Go back. 1, lift. 2, lift. Go back to the left to your original position. 1, 2, lift. Now switch. Let's do this side. Let's do the regular box on this side first, and then we'll do the lift. Ready? Go to your right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, go back the other way. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Sorry about that. I might have confused you there, but now when I say lift, you're going to lift the front knee. Ready? 1, 2, lift. 1, 2, lift. Go this way. 1, 2, lift. And go back. 1, 2, lift. Now switch. Good. All right. Let me give you a new exercise. This will help you with your triangle step because that's very important for transitioning. If you're transitioning, say, for example, to the back or to the one side, you actually want to use this as a type of transition. Okay? There's a reason for that. Because what you don't want is the person to have an opening as you're moving around. So if I want to go back, I don't want to step back this way because it leaves a big opening here for a kick. So what you want to do is you want to come back to your cat stance, then step back. That way you close the lower gate, so to speak. Okay, so let's start from the back, and we're going to move forward and back doing just the triangle footwork or crescent step. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you'll notice the back hand comes under. Now as I retreat, the hands are going to do the same thing. I'm going to retreat. This bottom hand is going to come up and cover the upper gates. This one's going to replace the bottom hand for the lower gates. Okay, retreat. 1, 2, 3. Advance. 1, 2, 3, retreat. 1, 2, 3, advance. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go ahead and square off. All right. Let's do another footwork exercise. Go into your fighting stance. We're going to do side steps. We'll do side steps with the tongue sound. Ready? 1. Triangle step. 2. Cat stance, clear. Go to the other side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? Now we'll do a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Good. Now this time we're going to add the punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. This time, the low kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Last one. Actually, we'll save the last one for another class. That's a little bit more challenging. Go ahead and recycle and square off. And go ahead and close up. All right. So that was our abbreviated class for today. Catch me tomorrow morning. Hopefully, if the weather's better. It was raining today, so I had to push the training up a little bit. But we'll try to get it going in the early mornings. Thank you for your time and your attention, and I look forward to seeing you. Keep practicing, and remember those concepts. Bonsao, Tansao, Paksao, Center line. I go by the name Sifu Wilson or Kansura, the Kung Fu Creative. Thank you for your time and attention. I will see you tomorrow. Stay inspired and inspirational. Enjoy your evening.